Hey there, Mark STRUCZEWSKI here, and in this video, I want to talk to you about your brain. Now, I'm not a neuroscientist. I don't even play one on TV, but I want to talk to you about why you shouldn't trust your brain. Because it's not a question of if it will fail you, but when. You see, your brain is the best computer that has ever been created. Unfortunately, just like our human computers, human mean like our MacBooks and desktops and what have you, it has limited memory. Your brain can't remember everything you want it to remember every time, every day, forever. It can't. And so we need to help the brain out. So what I want you to get in the habit of doing is I don't care what you use to capture your thoughts, but you really got to capture your thoughts. Make sense? So let's say you're driving down the road and you got an idea. It could be an idea for a podcast or a book you want to write or someone you want to contact, a sales call you want to make, whatever it is. I want you to immediately capture that idea. Now, if your phone allows you to do it hands-free, excellent. If not, I want you to, this is crazy, pull over. Don't try to do it while you're driving. Actually pull over, maybe at the next exit, pull over the side of the road and capture that idea either in an app, in a notebook. You can use, make an audio message. It doesn't matter. You got to capture the idea immediately. Now, most time, this is pretty easy. You're at your office, you're at the airport, you're with your family, an idea pops in your head, you can take out your phone, take out your notebook, and you can record the idea immediately. That's excellent. But there are going to be times when you can't do that, like when you're driving. Another problem is when you're near water. Electronics don't like water, whether it be the shower, the pool, the lake, the ocean, doesn't matter. You don't want to pick up electronics to make a note. So you may have to try to do some memorization techniques in your head to remember it until you can. Or here's another idea you can do. You can ask someone, hey, you're driving down the road, and an idea pops in your head and say, hey, friend, buddy, old pal, can you do me a huge favor? Can you write this down? No, I'm not going to explain it to you. Just write it down. I'll know what it means later. Okay? Just having a piece of paper, open an app, a notebook. Maybe they can send you a text message. Whatever works for you. Capture the idea immediately. I paused before I said immediately because if you don't do it immediately, later on it's going to happen, but the idea is going to be, where's it? It's gone. So capture the idea immediately. I can't tell you how many clients, how many people have sent me messages on social media, how many audience members have said, oh my gosh, I can't tell you how many times I should have wrote some down. Wrote some down? Sounds right. But I didn't, and now I forgot what it was going to be, what I was going to say. And it's a simple technique, but you got to use it. You got to use it. You got to say, okay, Mark, that's really simple, but are you doing it? Or are you trusting your noggin? There's nothing wrong with your brain. Your brain is just fine, but it needs help. So when something comes into your mind, it doesn't have to be business related. It could be, oh, I got to pick up dishwashing detergent. Don't leave it to chance because you'll go wandering around the store going, I was supposed to get something else here. Was it walnuts? No. Cat food? No, I don't have a cat. And but if you captured it, even rudimentally, even you created a note, you don't have to do something fancy like a shopping list on a reminders app. Just capture it somewhere because then you're helping your brain later on. Now, this is really, really simple, but let me ask you again, are you doing it? Leave me a comment below this video and let me know, are you capturing your thoughts, your ideas, your things you need to do, books you want to buy? I don't care what it is. Any idea. Hey, Rockstar, thank you so much for reaching the end of the podcast. I truly appreciate your time and attention. So I want to help you more. And the best way to do that is for you to head on over to my website, MrProductivity.com, MISTER, MrProductivity.com. There you can sign up for my free email newsletter, find out about my coaching. Matter of fact, everything and anything, well, except for my credit card numbers and social security number, you can find out at MrProductivity.com. Thank you so much again for your attention. And until we meet again, my friend, which will be sooner than you think, or maybe you'd like, depending on your perspective, don't forget, stay productive and stay